You ever notice this weird thing your brain does? You sit down to study, you open your notes, you try to start, and suddenly your brain acts like you're asking it to lift a car. Right. Your chest feels tight. Your mind wanders. Your hand reaches for your phone. You stare at the page like it's written in ancient code, and you think, why is this so hard? What is actually wrong with me? Here's the crazy part. Nothing's wrong with you. Your brain is doing exactly what it was built to do. But today, I'm going to show you how to hack that mechanism. Make your brain want to do hard things. Stay. This will connect dots you didn't even know existed. 1. The real enemy. Dopamine conflict. Your brain has one rule. Choose the easiest reward as fast as possible. That's why scrolling feels right. Studying feels like torture. Take a second and think. Which gives you a reward faster? TikTok. 0.3 seconds. Text message. Instantly. YouTube recommendations. Literally instant. Studying for a test 3 weeks away? Yeah. 0 instant reward. This is the dopamine conflict. Long-term goal versus short-term dopamine. And guess what? Short-term dopamine wins 99% of the time. But here's the twist you didn't see coming. You can tilt the game in your favor. Without discipline, without motivation, without force. Just one small shift. To the start, switch the secret your brain hides. Your brain hates starting. But the second you begin, everything changes. Think about it. The hardest part of studying is literally the first 20 seconds. After that, your brain adjusts. It relaxes. It accepts the task. This is called the start switch. So stop telling yourself, I need to study for 2 hours. Tell yourself, I'm only doing 1 minute. 1 minute is too small to trigger fear, too small to trigger resistance, too small to feel painful. And once you start, momentum kicks in. But what if even that feels impossible? Then you need this. 3. The bribe your brain technique. Here's something wild. Your brain needs a reward before it does the hard thing. Not after, not at the end. Before. It's like dragging a stubborn dog. Pull it, it freezes. Show it a treat, it walks. Your brain is that dog. So here's what you do. Step 1. Pick the tiniest task, 1 page, 1 paragraph. 1 question, 1 slide. Step 2. Attach an instant reward. 30 seconds of scrolling minus 1 minute break. Your favorite drink. A small snack. A short walk. Step 3. Repeat this cycle. Hard task gives tiny discomfort, gives instant reward, gives brain feels safe. Suddenly, studying doesn't feel painful, it feels balanced. But hold on, this only works if your energy isn't completely dead. So let's fix that next. For the 60-second energy reset, you can't fight your brain when it's exhausted. Low energy equals instant procrastination. So before you start anything, do this. 1. Stand and stretch for 10 seconds. Blood flow up. Brain switches on. 2. Cold water splash, instant alert mode. 3. 10 seconds of sunlight, cortisol rises. Focus increases. 4. Deep breath times 4. Anxiety drops. Clarity rises. It's basically a system reboot. Now your brain is awake enough to use the start switch. Mini cliffhanger. Now let me show you how to glue everything together into a system you'll actually follow. 5. The trick your brain system. Here's the formula that makes your brain obey. 1. Wake up the brain, 60-second stretch, gives water, gives sunlight, gives deep breath. It's to start switch. Do the smallest possible version of your task. 3. Bribe your brain. Promise a micro reward after your tiny action for momentum magic. Once your brain understands that, hard task equals small discomfort plus small reward. It stops panicking, it stops running, it stops resisting. It stops choosing the easy option. This is the point where studying becomes not effortless, but possible. And most days, possible is all you need. 6. The final shift. Rewrite your identity. Let me tell you something important. You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. You're not broken. Your brain is simply trained for quick dopamine. But now, you know how to control it. You know the cheat codes. You know the hidden switches. You know the patterns. So here's what I want you to do. Tonight, try the 1-minute rule. Just 1 minute, one tiny start, one small step. No pressure, no guilt, just movement. Your future self is built from moments like this. Let's level up together. See you in the next video.